Welcome to the 5th Blender tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be tackling using Boolean in 3D software. In 3D, Boolean refers to either using one object to either subtract or add to another object. So, for an example, this will be our first object. If I go to create, and create a sphere, let's scale it up, this will be our second object. The most important thing is that the objects are colliding with each other. If the objects are not touching, there will be no effect. So I'm just going to right click our first object, the object we're either going to be adding or subtracting from, with our second object, and going up to this little spanner up here. Under this spanner we find the add modifiers list, and under this we have Boolean. So the first thing we have to do is add the second object. So we just go down to this object box, left click, and select the sphere. And immediately you can see that something has happened. That's because we are already in the first Boolean mode, which is intersect. If I press Z on the keyboard and move the object, you see it'll update in real time. These objects haven't actually cut from each other. What's happening is the first object is currently invisible where it's being cut. But once we hit apply, that confirms the cut, and the cut is made solid. So this is now a cut object. What intersect does is where the two objects were intersecting, it's made a line, and from that line it's cut all the different shapes out. So in this case it's cut all of the box edges out of the cube. So where the sphere was touching the box, it's cut. In this case it's cut the sphere. So wherever the box was intersecting the sphere, it's cut. Just going to Control C back, so we got our box again. This gives you a more clear visual representation of where the cuts were. So all these bits sticking out were cut off, leaving only what was inside the box. So I'm just going to re-add the sphere again. Second mode, union. Now this might look a little bit weird, and it's double faced. That's because there are two objects in the same area here. You've got the originals, and then you've got the cloned objects that are joined. So if I hit apply, move out of the way, you'll see now that we've got the original sphere, but the sphere is also inside the box. However, if I press Z, you can see that the sphere isn't actually inside, it's just the pieces that were on the outside of the box have now been merged with the box, and anything inside the box was deleted. And finally, the last mode we have is difference. Now what difference does, so we click apply, move the box, is cut the sphere out of the box entirely. So wherever the sphere was in contact with the box, it has deleted those holes. So if I go back, so wherever the sphere was wherever the sphere was touching, it has made a line and it has cut. I hope you found this tutorial informative. Thank you for watching.